Hello, my dear students. Neeraj again with the next question of chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Question number 2, first part. That is a very, very important question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Now, what is given in the question? Given that distance is given and time is given for downstream and upstream, and we have to calculate the speed of rowing of boat in still water and the speed of the current. So what will we assume? We will assume the part we have to find. Firstly, let the Ritu's speed of rowing in still water x, what will be the unit? Kilometer, and hours is given, so I will take the speed in kilometer per hour. And the second part, we have to calculate speed of the current, so we will assume the same, kilometer per hour, speed of current. What is the meaning of current? In the flow of water is called the current. We will take it as y kilometer per hour. Now I am going to discuss upstream and downstream concept. So what is upstream and what is downstream? First of all, we will write speed of boat downstream. What will be that? I'm going to discuss it on another page. Look at this. Suppose this is a river and this is your boat. Speed we have taken as boat speed is x and the water speed is y. What is the meaning of downstream? The boat is going in this direction and water is also flowing in this direction. That is called downstream. Means boat is rowing in the direction of the flow of current. Means if the river is flowing in this direction and the boat is flowing in this direction, that is called downstream. And now the speed will be add up, that y will be add up in the speed of the boat. And what will be upstream? Suppose this is the stream and this is the boat. The speed of boat is again x and speed of river is again y. Boat is rowing in this direction and water is flowing in this direction. Now you can see here the speed will be reduced. Why? Because the boat is moving in rowing in the opposite direction. That is called the upstream movement. And in the upstream movement, the y speed of the current will be reduced from the speed of the boat. So x plus y we will take in the case of downstream, and x minus y we will take it as in the case of upstream. So speed of boat downstream, it will be x plus y kilometer per hour, take it in the bracket, and speed of boat upstream, it will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Now we are having both the speed, we are having the distance, we are having the time. So firstly I will discuss the first case. What is my first case? First case is Ritu can row downstream. According to the first line, you can check the Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Downstream 20 km 2 hours. Three things are given. What is given? Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. So I know the speed. I know the Ritu speed. So what is the speed? Speed is x plus y. Distance is 20 kilometer. Time is 2 hours. So what will be the formula? Speed equals to distance upon time. We know the formula. So what will be that? Speed is x plus y. Distance is 20 upon 2. So x plus y is equal to 10. That will be the equation number 1. Similarly, in the second line, you can check the second line again. And upstream 4 km 2 hour. Upstream speed is x minus y. 4 km distance, 2 hour is the time. So I will consider the same part. Ritu can. Row upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. Now 4 kilometer. Now the speed is x minus y in this case. Distance is 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer, time is 2 hours. Again I will apply the formula of speed, that is x minus y equals to 4 upon 2 equals to 2. So x minus y equals to 2, that will be the equation number 2. I am having both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So now I can easily calculate the value of x and y by, you can use any method, elimination you can use, substitution you can use. So I am going to use here elimination method. Equation 1 imply, equation 2 imply, that is x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 2. So according to the steps of elimination method we have discussed in my previous video, we will check the coefficients both are same in x and in y also, but you can see here the signs are opposite only in the case of y. So what will we consider? We will simply add it, both will be cancelled out, it will be 2x equals to 12, x equals to 12 by 2, that is equals to 6. So the value of x equals to 6. Substitute this value in any one of these two equations, 1 or 2. I will write it here. Substitute x equals to 6 in, I am putting in 2. 6 minus y equals to 2 minus y equals to 2 minus 6 implies minus y equals to minus 4. Minus minus will be cancelled out, y equals to 4. So I am getting two parts, x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. But x and y was taken by me, not given in the question. So I will declare in the last. Therefore, hence, or you can say therefore, hence, Ritu speed of rowing in still water, we assumed it as in the beginning we assumed it as x, so it will be 6 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the current, we in the beginning we assumed it as y, so it will be y kilometer per hour, and that is a very very important question according to the CBSE board pattern. So that type of question are also in the RD Sharma, and that is the method for solving these type of questions. Thank you very much.